This video is going to go a lot differently. So, as you've read from the title, I bought another lens, and I was going to do this whole vlog setup where I like go around, clean my room, set up perfect lighting, everything like that, because I was expecting, you know, that this lens was going to arrive, let's say about 3 o'clock, which is the usual time for Royal Mail, but no. It was 11:30 it arrived. So I've had to run around like an absolute buffoon while this package has just been waiting here, while I just... having to clean a room as hastily as that when you've got a nice big package just there waiting to be opened hurts. Probably shouldn't be dropping this because it's glass. You know it's fun when it's got the fragile stickers on. That did not work. Just remembered I have scissors. I could have just used scissors instead of doing this really guerrilla tactic of using my bloody keys. Bubble wrap. Whoop. Okay, I am a fan of that box. And then, oh my god, these are the best. Alright, box can go there. So, that is upside down. This is the Canon EFS 10 to 18mm f 4.5 to 5.6 IS-STM, which is a very long name. It has tape on it, so I'm going to actually use my scissors this time instead of being a bloody gorilla. Can't find them. I'm being a gorilla. The moment of truth. Oh, this feels so nicely bagged. Gotta make sure it's really bloody safe. Jeez. Oh, yes. Oh, that is so smooth. That is a very big lens cap. Oh, this feels so sturdy. The camera lens itself, if this will focus, is very condensed. Like it's got, sorry, it's got a lot of condensation. Condensed probably means something very different. I'm genuinely just fascinated. I could just play with this all day. Okay, I'm gonna actually clean this. And when I say clean, I don't mean as in this lens came dirty. It came in mint condition. It's just been in a very cold van, which means that there's a lot of condensation on this part of glass. So I just need to carefully get rid of that, and then I'll be vibing. This isn't the right cloth. Okay, for the most part it's cleaned. I just breathed on it, for fuck's sake. For the most part that is clean. I'm just gonna kind of keep that there. So my reasoning for getting this lens, I want to get more into vlogging. However, the lowest millimeter lens I have is a 18 to 55, which is what this is currently being filmed at 18mm. And it's just not quite wide enough, which is ridiculous for me to say. I know, it's 18 bloody millimeters. However, I'm shooting on an APS-C, that's the word, APS-C sensor. This will hopefully allow me to actually film myself. Alright, let's put this on then. So, first thing I noticed with this lens is that I need more extra light, which is why I've put this light on. It hurts my eyes. Because at 18mm, this lens is 5.6 aperture, which is a lot darker than the 3.5 aperture it is on this lens. However, it comes at the consequence of being able to do that. Now, I can't see the screen at the moment, but I'd imagine I'm very wide. Not me, wide, the screen is wide. Don't really know what to say beyond this point. You know, I bought this lens for vlogging purposes, so what good is it having it on a tripod? Let's actually try record the rest of this in vlog format.
Tell you what I need, well I don't need much. don't have much. You're sitting down a dark road. You're sitting in a rain and cold. Oh, but love, I'm needing just one thing. There's a little bit of sunshine. I need a sunshine.
I swear to God, this is the most I've been outside in possibly a year. Tell you what, if you want a really nice like chocolate thing to eat, get these Nopper things. I have no idea like what they're made of, but they're fucking gorgeous. I literally buy them every single time I go to the shop, which has been a lot this week. I need to go on a diet. And just to clarify, because I didn't show it in any of the clips, I was in fact wearing a mask in the shop. I'm not an idiot. Just before anyone comments on it. Anyone comments on it, no one's gonna watch this. Alright, it has been a solid 6 weeks since those last clips, because I filmed that at the end of January and it's now the beginning of March, and I'm basically too lazy and didn't edit it. I'll come up with excuses saying that my Premiere Pro thing wasn't the best, so I've now got the official version. I know, I finally coughed out money and stopped pirating. How generous of me. So basically, I filmed those clips, started to edit it, Premiere Pro started being funky. It like threw off my inspiration. I was focusing on other things, so I just kind of didn't edit it for a while until recently, where my boyfriend, God forbid him, persuaded me to continue working on this and not just give up, because that would be a chicken's move. So, many thanks for that, Blake. So, it is now 6 weeks or so later. Vlogging format, as fun as ever. This is being shot at 12mm on the same lens in this vlog, naturally. My overall impressions of the lens, it is fantastic. It covers a great focal length of 10 to 18mm naturally. And therefore I can get some wide images such as what you're seeing right now, and also some photography stuff that I did, such as these. I think this is an amazing lens when it comes to filming yourself and taking particular wide angle photography. You can get all of my photography and see all of my photography at Meleady-XD on Instagram, but this lens basically covers wide angle things, which helps massively for vlogging, and it helps massively for wide angle photography, which is always a fun thing to do. But anyway, I don't want to start rambling because I do that a lot. So thank you for watching this video. I know it came out way too late, apologies. I hope you like the montage clip. That's what I've edited the rest of the clips before. This is just the last little clip to go in. I hope you liked that. I tried to give colour grading a shot, probably not the best, but with everything, I'll get better, I'll improve. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll catch you all another time, hopefully. Bye!